Display owner info on GoPro HERO screen. Don here from 3BR Power Sports. For those of you who are familiar with GoPro Labs, you know that the GoPro Labs firmware provides a whole toolbox of cool features and add-ons that expand the capabilities of the HERO camera. One of my favorite add-ons is the ability to show owner information on the startup screen. Here's how to do it. Displaying owner information on the startup screen is a two-step process. First, you need to install the GoPro Labs firmware using the manual firmware update method. Then you need to install an app on your smartphone called QR Control. This app has all of the feature and add-ons that can be installed on your HERO camera. You then use QR Control to input your owner information and generate a QR code that applies the information to the camera.
You want to go to your browser and search for GoPro Labs. And here we are. This is actually the GoPro website, but GoPro Labs is a part of the GoPro company. So just click on Try It Now and it'll take it to the GoPro Labs webpage. Now you see a whole list of cameras for which they provide the GoPro Labs special firmware. We're going to be dealing with the Hero 12 Black, and you just click on it and it will start to download. I have already downloaded the file, and it's this zip file right here. Now you're going to want to unzip that, and you'll find that there is a folder called Update, and this is what you're looking for to update the camera. Once you have that update folder, you're going to want to copy that folder to your micro SD card that's going to go in the camera.
Okay, got my Hero 12, has the battery in it, it's fully charged. Put my micro SD card that has that update file in it, turn on the camera, and it automatically starts the update. And there you go, update complete. Now the camera will restart. And it shows that the GoPro firmware is installed.
Okay, let's go ahead and load up QR Control and then the QR codes that we need to implement the features on the camera. So we go to our App Store and search on QR Control, and there it is. I already have it loaded, so all I need to do is open it. Now, what we need to do is look at the tabs across the top and find Name, and you notice it has 3 lines to put in information. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I've got the information in, but I would like to have my phone number show up as well, but there's only 3 lines. So what do we do about that? Well, easy enough. All you need to do is go in, put in a backslash and the letter N, and then your additional data. And for me, it's the phone number. And there we go. That'll give us 4 lines of data. But why stop there? I'd also like to put my company name in. So let's go to the top line, do the same thing. Put in our backslash in and the company name. And there we go. All right, now that we have that done, let's go down and save it. There's one more thing we want to do. The default display time is 500 milliseconds or a half a second, and you can just barely read what's going on. But GoPro Labs has thought of everything. If you go to the Extras tab and look for a feature called Display, you've got some choices to increase the display time. Now, as I said, the default is 500 milliseconds or a half a second. If you want to increase that, you input a number from 1 to 9 seconds. I like 3 seconds, so we should be good to go there, and also save that. Okay, now we're ready to load these 2 QR codes onto our camera, and here's how you do. Okay, we have QR control loaded on our smartphone, so let's open it up. And the first thing we want to do is load up that display time. And so we call up the QR code and point the camera at it, and it loads. We do the same with the name. There we go. And we're ready.
Okay, let's see what we have. It shows 4 lines of data. That's what we're looking for. We're good to go.